Tokyo Station is huge.
Stay close, everyone. Look! Which track is ours? The blue train symbol.
Oh.
This map is so confusing. Let me check the tickets.
Look! It says Platform 4. Platform 4? Over there! Is it a super fast train, Dad?
Yes, it is extremely fast.
Let's go. Hold hands, please.
Okay, Mom, let's hurry.
Scan your tickets here.
Wow, it is so cool! Hurry! The train is here!
Wait for Toby, Dad.
Step up! I can do it!
Good job, Toby. Watch your step.
Look! We are moving! Here we go! So cool!
Wait, where are the buildings? Where are the buildings?
Oh no, there is no signal.
No internet? Are you sure?
We are on the wrong train.
What? The wrong train?
Look at the paper map, David.
We are going north, not south.
Dad, where is the next stop? Look! The light is flashing!
We are stopping soon.
Don't worry. Let's get off here.
Okay, let's find help.
Get your bags, Toby. Ready? Yes! Let's go!
Follow me, family.
We are ready, David.
Careful as you step down.
Wow. Look at the trees.
Goodbye, fast train! Bye-bye, train!
It is so quiet here.
Where is everybody?
Look over there! An office! Let's go check!
The air is so fresh here.
Yes, it is very beautiful.
Let's walk inside the waiting room.
I will open the door. Hello? Is anyone here?
Excuse me, sir. We need help.
Welcome. How can I help you today?
We are lost. We took the wrong train.
Let me see. Ah, I see the problem.
Mister, where are we now?
You are at Green Valley Station, far from Tokyo. You need a fare adjustment. There is an additional fee.
How much is the additional fee, sir?
It is 400 yen per ticket, please.
400 times 4 is 1,600. Wow, that is a big number.
Here you are, sir. 1,600 yen.
Thank you. Your tickets are ready now.
Thank you so much for your help. Which train is bound for Tokyo, sir?
Take the local train on platform 3.
Platform 3. Did you hear that, Toby? Yes. Platform 3.
Thank you, sir. What time does it leave?
It leaves in 10 minutes. Don't miss it.
Go through that tunnel walkway over there.
Let's go to platform 3.
Platform 3, here we come.
Keep moving, everyone.
Yes. Don't stop. Look. The sign says transfer. Where? Up ahead?
Turn right. Follow the arrow.
Yes, Dad. This way. Mom, is this the transfer to platform 3? Yes, my smart boy.
This map shows platform 3 is ahead.
Great. We are on the right way.
Look at the stairs. We are almost there. Let's climb up.
We found it! Platform 3!
Yay! Platform 3. Look, Chloe. New friends over there. Oh. Let's go say hello. Hello. My name is Chloe, and this is Toby. Hi. I am Yuto, and this is my sister, Sakura. Nice to meet you, Yuto. Nice to meet you, Sakura.
Are you waiting for the train too?
Yes.
The train is coming soon.
Look at them. They are good friends now.
Yes. Language is like magic.
Listen! The train is here! Yay! Here it comes.
Look! This is the right train!
It is stopping now. Thank you for being our friends.
Have a safe trip back to Tokyo, Toby. See you again someday, Yuto.
Let's board the train, family.
Hold hands, kids. Step up.
Bye, Sakura. We can see you. Bye, Yuto.
We are finally on our way to Tokyo!
Yes! Tokyo, here we come.
We are finally back in Tokyo.
And we are safe.
Let's get off the train.
Back on the platform. Remember the golden rules. Check the sign and platform.
We can read English signs now. Yes, we are travel masters.